Hey there, have you ever created an email, but you don't want to send it quite yet? However, you don't want to forget to send it later. Maybe you want to make your newsletter letter a little bit early in the week, and you don't want to send out a link to it until a little bit later in the week. Well, there is a way that you can delay sending your email, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I've just created an email here, and I want to send it on Friday. So up here at the top, I'm going to click on Options in my email and then go over here to Delay Delivery. Then down here, it has Delivery Options, and I'm not going to deliver before, so I just click on here, and it's going to give me options. So I can just click on a date. So I'm going to say that I don't want to deliver it until Friday, and then I don't want to deliver it before 4 o'clock. So just click on the time, and then when I click close and then send, my email won't go out until Friday at 4 o'clock or whatever time I've specified. Then that way I can make sure that it will arrive in my recipient's inbox the day and the time that I would like that's convenient for me. However, I can go ahead and write my email days beforehand. So I hope this tip is helpful for you, and thanks for listening.